Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 358, why I still use local auth. In our last tip, I talked about why I haven't used local auth on a production website for many years. In this tip, I'll tell you why I still use local authentication all the time. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. This may seem like a contradiction from my last tip, but I promise you it is not. In my last tip, I warned against using local authentication for a production Power Pages site. The key there is in production. For trials, demos, and proofs of concept, local authentication is great. As I mentioned in the last tip, local auth is quick and easy. It comes pre-enabled out of the box, and you don't need to set up a separate service like Entra External ID. For sites that will most likely get thrown away in a month or two, it won't matter if Microsoft officially deprecates local authentication again. I also don't hate it when local auth is used in pre-production environments. While in a perfect world the identity provider used in production would have pre-production versions as well, this isn't always practical. So I think as long as you are avoiding local authentication in production, you aren't setting yourself up for too much trouble in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 358 on why I still use local auth useful.